Your time is valuable, and I think it's time you get some of it back. So these are the best Chrome extensions to boost productivity in 2026. Hey friends, I'm Tasia Custode, and I've partnered with Scribe to bring you the top 6 Chrome extensions to help you focus, stay on task, and save time in the day. And I'll share more on Scribe later, but just know I have exact links for all of the extensions I mentioned in the description below. And we're gonna start with my favorite password manager, Dashlane. Now you can download the Mac app as well, but we're gonna focus on the Google Chrome extension today. Now, I have a personal premium plan for Dashlane that gets you unlimited passwords and passkeys, real-time phishing alerts, unlimited devices, secure sharing, dark web monitoring, and VPN for Wi-Fi protection. So it's really robust what you get. Now, the extension itself is super easy to use. You can click on it at any time from any tab and easily search for the site you need. Or when you go to a site that you've already saved login information for, Dashlane will pop up, allowing you to autofill your sign-in details quickly and easily. And if it's a new site, it's going to ask you if you'd like to save the login details. A single click and you're off to the races. No muss, no fuss. To say this next Chrome extension is a time saver would be an understatement. If you're looking for a quick way to create a step-by-step guide, then you're in luck, because the sponsor of today's video, Scribe, makes this effortless. Scribe records your workflow in real time and automatically builds a step-by-step guide that anyone can follow, with no extra effort required. Think, no more constantly explaining and re-explaining your processes and procedures to a coworker or a client. With the Scribe extension installed, it allows you to capture anything you're doing on your screen. You click on the Scribe extension and click on Start Capture. So as an example, sometimes I have to show clients how to create and share a Google Calendar event. With Scribe, I can simply go through the process once, and it automatically creates how-to documentation with text and screenshots simply by following along as I work. So instead of having to take multiple screenshots and then paste them in a doc and share them with clients over and over again, I can go through the process once. It automatically creates the steps by tracking my actions. Once I'm done, I click on Complete Capture. And just like that, it's turned my workflow into a step-by-step guide complete with text, links, and annotated screenshots. Talk about a time saver. Now from here, you can add a description, or you could drag to rearrange steps. You can edit any of these steps, and you can also delete any of the steps if they aren't needed. And you can even add new recordings to be inserted as additional steps if needed. It's really quite neat. Now, when you're all done creating and customizing your guide, click Share in the top right, and that allows you to share it with whoever you want to right from here. You can send a link, download a PDF, add teammates, or embed it anywhere. Just choose the method that works for your workflow. And with Scribe's Guide Me feature, people can follow the steps live right on their screen instead of just reading them. The best part is that if you need to update something in your guide in the future, there's no need to share it again. It's going to automatically update for everyone who has access. It's an incredibly useful way to keep SOPs or other training resources automatically updated. How great is Scribe for creating internal trainings, SOPs, or step-by-step tutorials? I just love it. And if you want to take your time back and skip the busy work, you can head to scribe.how/Tasia and get started for free. I've included that link in the description below as well. Now, the next 2 Chrome extensions are huge time savers if you're working on a brand package or you simply like a brand's font or colors and you don't really know what they are. First, WhatFont has been my go-to way to identify fonts on any web pages with a single click for free. So the next time you're wondering what font is used on a web page, maybe you're trying to match it for branding purposes, all you have to do is click the WhatFont extension and simply hover your mouse over the font on the web page. And voila, it is identified for you. This is so beyond handy, and I literally use this all the time. And then, as a bonus tip, I head to something like Font Squirrel in order to download the font if I don't have it already. Gotta love it. Now, as I alluded to, you can do the exact same thing with brand colors, because how many times have you been scrolling a website and you wonder, what color is that? So for that, I use Color Picker Eyedropper. There are a lot of color picker extensions available, and this one is my go-to, and it's very highly rated. It's completely free, and it's by far the easiest way to figure out what color is on any web page. Simply select the Color Picker Eyedropper extension and click Pick Color, and your mouse will turn into, well, a color picker. Simply move your mouse over the color you want to match and click. You're instantly given the color hex code, and that's copied immediately for you. You can click off it at any time, and when you go back in, the last color you saved is still there for you, which is handy. Plus, you've got the HSL and CSS info should you need that instead. It's that simple, and trust me, it has saved me many times when I'm trying to color match. Love. Now, the next extension I use to boost my productivity is Grammarly. So if you want in-the-moment help with spelling and grammar, then this is for you. Not only does the Grammarly extension help you with spelling and grammar, but it also helps you with clear communication of your ideas, tone, and delivery of your writing, as well as helping you determine if you're plagiarizing work without even knowing it. It's like having someone proofread your work for you, but in real time. And the extension works in any tab that you're working in. Plus, it even works directly with Google Docs, which I'm showing here, which I find just super helpful. So as you type, it's going to give you suggestions and corrections, as well as word definitions. Grammarly is free, but you do need to upgrade in order to adjust tone or have it rewrite your sentences for you. And if you're liking this video so far, please remember to give it a like or subscribe to my channel for more content just like this. And this next extension is being included here because I like to think of it as a good kickstart to my day. The extension is Momentum, and think of Momentum as a way to enhance your Google Chrome experience and give you some calm when opening up a new Google Chrome tab. I've been using Momentum since 2020. Rather than seeing the normal new tab page from Chrome, Momentum offers an alternative option. It's essentially a replacement of that same old new Chrome tab. It displays a new background image and quote every single day to keep you inspired. You can also add your main goal for the day here to keep you on track, and you can add your tasks to keep you on track during your day. Plus, it gives you a snapshot of the weather, which I just find really handy. It is totally free, but you can upgrade to add additional widgets. You can upload your own photos with the upgrade as well, and you can access custom themes. I think the free version is just great. It's a nice visual reset for me every time I'm opening up a new Chrome tab, which is pretty often. Now, the big question is, are you feeling more productive yet? So those are the best Chrome extensions to boost productivity in 2026. And now I want to hear from you. What are your favorite extensions to save you time and boost your productivity? Let everyone know in the comments below. As always, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, well, I want to know. So give it a like, a share, or you can leave that comment below. You can click right about here to subscribe to my channel and here for even more content just like this. Thanks for watching. See you next time.